This is a retrospective dialogue sheet. This is for you and your team to have a self-organizing retrospective without a facilitator. It takes about an hour. You start by putting the sheet on a table. You seat your team evenly around the sheet so everyone can read. So it is useful to have some colourful pens. Around the outside of the sheet are some humorous and inspiring quotes designed to limber up your mind and get you thinking. Once you've done that, you start at number 1 and you follow the instructions in the numbers all the way around. Everybody gets to have a go at reading the questions and facilitating the discussion. Anybody can write on the sheet at any time. You write all over the sheet to record your thoughts and actions. At the end, you will have an action plan. You will have 3 actions to make your work better.